Okay, so I just got my alcohol markers, which I'm super excited about. I have alcohol inks, but I don't have alcohol markers. And I just love markers in general. So, yeah, you're watching me take these out the box now. I really don't know what to expect with alcohol markers. Because like I do a lot of resin work, so the alcohol ink works well with that. I'm just hoping that the alcohol markers allow me to add more detail to my work. Right now we're in my messy craft room. I'm assuming this is laying down on the side. I'm gonna take off these. I'm gonna read it, whatever this is. 80 vibrant color set. High quality alcohol based ink. Dual tips. So I saw this on Amazon and I just had to buy it because of course I'm a shopaholic and have no self-control. So yeah, this is where I got it from. Oh, it's a card. Oh, that's cute. It has an alien girl on it and a cat. And I'm assuming somewhere the original print is made with the alcohol ink markers. Oh, they gave me a swatch. So I can actually add the colors to this. It has all the names of the colors. And I guess so I can test the colors, which is a good thing. I don't have to waste extra paper. Awesome. Of course, they're not in order 1, 2, but I guess I could work with this. I'm sorry, that's just my little obsessive self that I like to see order in my numbers and stuff. So at some point I'm gonna reorder this. Even if all the numbers are not here, I'm still gonna reorder it to ascend in my box. So I'm gonna test these out and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about them. It definitely does look like red wine. I like that the marker has this little like fluffy cloud design on the end. That's cool. So I just did 1, and I'm gonna go to 2, which is old, which is an odd name for a color. Old. So red, I'm assuming. The actual color they call is old. Next color, number 7. Yes, I'm going top to bottom, left to right. Cosmos. I like it. It's adorable little pink color. Okay, number 9. Pale pink, which to me is just pink, but okay. And pop over here to number 10. Equal. Because this is not in order, it takes me a little bit to find the number. Found it. It takes me a bit. Sorry. This one I feel like should go up there with the red. I don't know. I mean, I feel like it should have been that next color here, and then could have came down with the pinks. But I feel like there's gonna be more reds all over the place. Scarlet, of course there's gonna be more red. There's not even order to their color swatch. So yeah, I just prefer just a little bit of order, guys. A little bit. That'd be great. Either in the box or on this swatch. Because either way, it's going to take me forever to do this video because I really have to concentrate and look for your numbers that are not in order. And that is 13. 13. Okay, so I know I'm not good at math and numbers, but where the hell is 13? Maybe because I was looking at it sideways. Guys, do you guys see 13? Because at this point, I'm feeling like I don't see 13. Yeah, no, I don't see. Ha, there it is. Duh. Okay, 13. I really need them to like give me order, give me number correctness. Okay, Scarlet, which is in the red family. At this point, I'm feeling like I should just go ahead and put these in numerical order because it's going to take me forever to look over here, find the number, look over here to match the number, and it's in no particular collection. I mean, because like even if I was just doing pinks and had all the pinks and pinkish colors together, would have been way more simple than random green here, random green there. So I'll just go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I organized and put it in ascending order. So much better. Now I'm going to continue on with the swatch because it's just easier for me now that I have all the numbers and everything in the proper order instead of trying to figure out what they were doing. So yeah, and I also like this box because it kind of flips over, but it doesn't lay flat. It kind of lays like catty corner. The front is raised, so yeah. So now I can get back to what I was doing, which is not being confused by numbers. Okay, so now I'm here at 16. Nope. Oh, my toe, my toe, my toe, my toe, my toe. Ah, my toe. My toe, I hit my toe. I slipped on a baby's shoe and it hit my toe at the same time. Then I slipped. Okay, so I've got another package in. I was doing the markers, but now I have my pivot stuff in. Another light studio, which is no big deal. I already have like 3 or 4 of these, which is great. I think I already have that specific one. I got a turntable to take photos of my art and stuff. So yeah, I got that. But what I really wanted is this. Yeah, I got the pivot camera system. So now I'm all motion detecty and stuff. So yay! Now I can actually follow me around while I'm videoing, as long as it's in a circle, which is gonna make this way better. Little by little, getting better, little by little. For those of you who don't know, I started this recording journey, I want to say about 6 months ago now. So yeah, I got this, and hopefully this will make my recording better, instead of just having you guys up here or looking at me. Kind of good survey the scenery, all that good stuff. So as soon as I get to checking this out, I will definitely review this and give you guys some feedback on this. But for now, I just heard my messenger go off because I'm at work as well, so I have to go to work, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back, finished with the swatch. I do like the variety of colors that I'm giving, that you can't see because of the light, but I do like the variety of colors. After me having to numerically organize this, I could really work with this. This is definitely gonna add a new medium to my repertoire. I do enjoy these. I'm glad that it dries quickly, being that I'm left-handed and my hand drags across everything, and sometimes it carries color. Like when I use Crayola, it carries the color. So yeah, when I was younger, I used to use Crayola, and all of my artwork, if I didn't like do my hand like this, would be all smudged and kind of look like I shaded it, even though I hadn't shaded it yet. So yeah, so I don't know how you say this. Arrtx, Arrtx. I guess I like their markers. They just need some organization. Good brand. The color doesn't, like, the color goes, like, you can see every color is a different variation, which is awesome. So yeah, I would definitely buy this again. I definitely do enjoy it. I'm gonna make some art pieces with it and feature them probably with this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you definitely will check out this brand. I will leave a link for it below. I bought it off Amazon, so even if I don't leave a link, you could just kind of go on Amazon, type it into the search bar and find it. But I'm gonna try to leave the link because I buy quite a few things on Amazon monthly. I might have to go through, my list, but I'm gonna leave a link, hopefully. Don't hold me to that. And I just really work with it. I did get something else in the mail today. I got my pivot system, so I'm definitely gonna use that and kind of mix this up a bit. But until I figure that out, and all this other stuff that comes along with staying home that I never did before, yeah. So I did have to stop recording because I had a business call, a work call, and so it kind of threw my train of thought. So now that I'm off the call, I'm kind of still thinking over everything I need to do. Luckily, my job allows me to work from home, so I'm having a really good life at this point. So between my art and my actual job, which I need to flip that around, make my art my actual job. But I enjoy what I actually do as a peer specialist, peer bridger. So I'm still reaching out to peers in the community, and I'm teaching them the ways of self-care at this point. So I will definitely, I'm getting off on a whole nother tangent on this video when I'm just reviewing alcohol markers. So thanks for watching, guys. I will definitely leave a link below. I'm gonna add all my social media contacts and everything so that you guys can get in touch with me off of YouTube. Bye.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.